My name is Kathuriman Tuinoti. I'm the chairperson of the Kenya Law Reform Commission. The Kenya Law Reform Commission is set up by an act of parliament with a mandate to keep the laws of Kenya under review and reform. And the logic beyond the need to establish a law reform commission is the fact that law, like all human creation, has defects, and sometimes you find that the society moves forward, leaving the law behind to catch up, and therefore the Law Reform Commission is supposed to be reviewing the laws to make sure that they serve the needs of Kenyans at any particular time. In addition to the review of the laws, the Law Reform Commission also has a new constitutional mandate under the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which is to work with the Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution and the Office of the Attorney General in preparing the bills that are required to implement the Constitution of Kenya 2010. So we've been in the last 2 years working very closely with the Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution as well as the Office of the Attorney General in preparing all the laws that are required for purposes of implementing the Constitution, like the New Elections Act, the Political Parties Act, the Leadership and Integrity laws. In fact, before these bills go to the Commission for the Implementation of the Constitution, we are normally the ones who start preparing the initial drafts. It's been good having a stand at the show. Quite a number of people have visited and they have been quite interested in the work that we do. For us, the need for this stand was to also fulfill the requirements of Article 35 of the Constitution, an opportunity for offering information to members of the public, because if people have to participate in the affairs as is required by the Constitution, it is important for them to have information about what's going on. Quite a number of people have shown interest, particularly in the laws that have been enacted recently to implement the Constitution. The main complaint that comes out is that the laws have been enacted, but there is a problem in implementation. We appreciate that sometimes implementing a law takes quite some time. It requires quite some resources, and I think the challenge is for all of us as Kenyans, once now Parliament has passed these laws, to get together to see how we can implement them effectively. Sometimes when you do draft laws, you're not able to tell how they will operate in reality, and therefore that's why it's going to be very important for us to keep on getting feedback about what is the problem with some of the new laws that we have. And this feedback will come from the implementers and even from members of the public that will require possibly amendment of some of the new laws that we have enacted recently. And therefore, you can still get more information about the work we do at the Commission from our website, www.klrc.go.ke. We are also on Facebook. You can interact with us there, Kenya Law Reform Commission. On Twitter, you will find us KLRC, KE, and lastly, for purposes of communicating with email, you get information, you can communicate with us through info@klrc.go.ke. Thank you very much.